Hello and welcome back to Brand DevOps. I'm back again with another KodeKloud engineer task. Today we're in Linux. Our scenario for today is some developers from Nautilus project team have asked for SFTP access to at least one of the app servers in Stratos DC. After going through the requirements, the sysadmin team has decided to configure the SFTP server on App Server 2 server in Stratos data center. Please configure it per the following instructions. Create a SFTP user Siva and set its password to, there's already a group called FTP. You can utilize the same password. Authentication should be enabled for this user. SFTP users should only be allowed to make SFTP connections. All right. Cool. So let's see. Let's see, bro. So user add no longer Alright, so our Siva account has been made. So I need to set her password or its password. Alright. Now I'll make the directories for her. Spar S F T Siva. Alright. Set it to Etsy SSHD file. Etsy SSH. All right. That should be everything. Let's go ahead and validate the task. Okay, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. I have more videos to come, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.